Hello, I'm Jason with Stuart Batty Tools. Welcome to the first in our series of short videos. Today, I would like to take you on a quick walk through our new handle system, the only fully modular handle system on the market. As you can see, I have several tools set out here. First of all, can you imagine how crowded this table would look if all these tools had their own handles? Each of these tools I have chosen has a specific job, from detail work to bulk removal, and each has a handle length that makes that job easier and safer. You can use a long handle for detail work, but in doing so, you lose dexterity and flexibility. On the flip side of that, you don't want to use a short handle like this with a big tool for bulk removal or roughing cuts. Makes no sense. But with our new handle system, we have all these tools covered. These new handles are based on Stu's original taper lock system and handle construction, which features the fastest tool removal and change of any system. No fasteners or tools required. Hand tighten and release. With the purchase of all our handles, we include a bench wrench for semi-permanent tightening or untightening. These handles also have exceptional vibration dampening, which metal handles don't have. That's due to our triple composite construction of woven carbon fiber, woven fiberglass, and straight fiberglass. It makes these handles super strong. In addition, these new handles are designed to use our dual taper lock handle connector to join and make longer handle lengths. Simply take the handle and the handle connector, which is made from hardened stainless steel, tighten it in with the included Allen wrench, choose the handle that you want to extend, and remove the button. Insert the dual taper lock connector, hand tighten, and you're ready to go. This is as strong as the handle itself. In front of me, what you see is an example of our 4-handle set, which includes 2 connectors. All told with this set, it would include 12 different handle options. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Keep an eye out for next week's video, which will be on our new bolster and insert system. Until then, this is Jason with